question number 10, but for previous questions please consider my previous videos, and you can find links of all videos in description of this video. So let's read this. An inductor of inductance 150 μH is connected in a parallel with a variable capacitor whose capacitance can be changed from 500 pF to 20 pF. Calculate the maximum as well as minimum frequency for data from this statement. And first data is inductance. This is my inductance 150 μF or 150 into 10 to the power minus 6 F. Maximum capacitance is 500 pF or 500 into 10 to the power plus 12 F, and minimum capacitance is 20 pF. See, minimum is equal to 20 pF or 20 into 10 to the power plus 12 F. This is maximum and this is minimum capacitance. The unknown quantities are maximum as well as minimum frequency of the circuit, F maximum or F minimum. And for this statement, my formula is this one. First, consider maximum frequency. F maximum is equal to 1 divided by 2 pi under root L multiply with C minimum. Guys, but frequency and capacitance have inverse relationship with each other. I mean, when frequency is increased, then capacitance is decreased. And similarly, when frequency is decreased, then capacitance is increased. So for F maximum, I have to use C minimum. F maximum is equal to 1 divided by 2 pi under root L. L is 150 into 10 to the power minus 6 multiply with 20 into 10 to the power plus 12 F. After simplification, I get F maximum is equal to 2.91 into 10 to the power 6 Hertz or 2.91 megahertz. Guys, simplification of this part is or step is easy. Still, if you have any confusion, just write your problem in comment section. I will illustrate to you. So that is F maximum, which is 2.91 megahertz. Let's find F. Now for F minimum, my SC is maximum because both have inverse relationship with each other. F minimum is equal to 1 divided by 2 pi under root L, which is 150 into 10 to the power minus 6 multiply with C maximum. C maximum is 500 pF. 500 into 10 to the power 12 F. Similarly, after calculation, I get 0.58 into 10 to the power plus 6 Hertz or 0.58 megahertz. So that is minimum frequency. Hopefully guys, you got my this lecture or this topic. See you in next lecture, next video with another interesting problem or topic. Have a nice day.